Hey guys, today is July the 18th of 2018. I want to go over the Aussie dollar using the Gann price and time technical analysis. So please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. All right, guys, so I've been paper trading this strategy, a model that I've been testing on the Aussie. As you know, I do a lot of research, a lot of stuff I test, and I paper trade it to see how it works. And this is a cycle that I've just not that I discovered, but I'm testing it. And I did it. I showed it on my last video. The testing I was doing, the forecast. So the forecast says to short it on the 16th and to buy it on or cover on the 19th. And I also said on my last video, which I put links at the end, where you could give it a little wiggle room. It's focused on the 19th as the swing pivot low, but it could be early or late. I mean early, which could be the 18th, or it could be late, which could be the 20th. Now statistically, today is Wednesday. Wednesday could go either or, 50-50. It could be bullish or bearish. But Thursday is normally bullish on the Aussie. For some reason, I don't know. Can't ask me. You just got to deal with statistics. And Friday, normally it's reddish. But as you can see, you could put a trend line here to this swing pivot low of the second and the third. And this, you got this trend line right here. Let's get closer. And mind you, this is paper trading. This is not my real account. This is paper trading. I shorted the 16 because it says that there's going to be a swing top on the 16. I shorted it at, where was I shorted? What price? I shorted the Aussie at 74.10, 50 lot at that price, and it's been nice. So we're testing the model to see if we push lower towards the 19th. So far right now, this is looking pretty like a support. But you know what? I'm going with the model. I'm testing the model. I'm acting like, you know what? There's no input of mine on this. I'm just using what the model is saying. Looking at this as a discretionary trader, I would have been like, I'm covering, I'm out. I'm locking in, what is that, 73.54, 73.54. Right here, I would have gotten $279.50, locking it out right there, been flat if I would have been short here. But the model is saying this is not the low. Tomorrow will be the low. So let's test it out. There's nothing to lose. This is just paper trading money. So I did the Aussie currency, and I also did the futures. You could kind of have an idea trading the futures on the Aussie, which is in my thing is 6A. And I just one contract. I'm not no rock star. One contract, simple. I shorted it on the 16th. And where did I short it at? 74.17. So that was 74.17. That was right here. And there was some news. I think it was the minutes maybe that came out or whatever. And you know what? I didn't put a stop. I just left it open. I could have just gone up and then, and gone higher and blown, just gone higher. And I would have just, the next day, I just would have gone flat with a big loss. And then would have said, you know what, this model maybe is not that great. But the theory and the purpose of this is to test the model paper trading. So no stops, just put the short. And I know that's risky. I don't recommend doing that. But I just didn't want to get stopped out and then, man, like I never got to test the model because I'm out. So I wanted to see what this is capable of doing. So we're short the futures of Aussie 74.17, one contract, and so far we got in the bank $520 right now. We went as low as 73.43, which is $740. But if you do the same thing, a little trend line going here, I probably would have gone out if it was just me trading. I would have put that there, put some, what everybody does, just put a retracement, just see some support, resistance. I don't know if this is Fibonacci. No, this is, maybe this is Fibonacci because this is on my paper trade account. It's a little different. Yeah, this is Fibonacci, so 61.8 or a 786. Actually, it's a 786. This is a 61.8. So you could have gone out there or there. I probably would have got out the angle, but there would have been good too. So a little nice little scalp, but I'm not going to go with what I normally do. I'm just going to go with what the model says. So I don't know if there's going to be a big flush or this is the low and then it's going to turn up against me and then I'm going to lose all my profits. But we're going to see what the model is saying. One thing I'm also noticing is that there's a squeeze play on the Aussie. So prices are being contained like a soda pop and it's about to pop in one direction. And looking at this from this swing low, it looks like it wants to explode towards the upside. So the pressure is building. Oops. It's building. I'm going to get this one day right. It's building upward. So it looks like it wants to go boom. But we'll see. That's it. Just a short video. I'm just testing this model. So what the model is saying is that the 19th is going to be a swing low, and then it goes up. And if that happens, then I'm gonna go long, and see if the model follows the price action follows the model, which is predicting and forecasting the future, which is totally different than all these indicators. I mean, it's kind of leaning what the model is saying. This indicator is saying there's an explosion to the upside, the squeeze play. Right now, prices have been contained since the 12th, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 18, and they're about to explode one way or the other. One thing I did on my other video too, which I'll put links at the end on the Aussie, that we were on a triangle here, triangle play, and I thought this was going to hold. It was like up here. I thought we were going to kind of hit here. We were going to kind of just go sideways and then kind of, really get tight and hit here and then shoot up. But that didn't pan out. It just blew right through that angle. So you have this from this support right here, and then you have another one, which is this one right here. And this is where the Aussie's at. So let's see how it pans out. I'm going to sign out. I'm going to do my other video on the Facebook. I did a video a while back of a possible high. We need to revisit that because you need to revisit what worked and what didn't work and just see the pros and cons of forecasting. Some things pan out, some things don't pan out, and what you should do when things don't pan out, and what you should do when you're forecasting and it pans out or it doesn't pan out. So my next video will be on the Facebook video I did on the possibility of a high. All right, enjoy, make some money, make some pips, and let's see how this Aussie does tomorrow. If it does a swing low, I'm going to get out, and then I'm just going to go long and see how high it goes.